what's the difference between Pruvit ketones and anything else out there? When we created Pruvit ketones 8 years ago, we started publishing all of these different patents to help protect the market. We now have over 28 granted patents, and we have a dozen more that are pending. No one else can use the same form of ketones that we have. We're always going to try and find what's new, what's the best advancement. We don't want just something that's okay. We want the best. We want to continually make the best possible formula there is. And so we're always innovating, always coming up with what is the best formula to help our bodies live a longer and healthier life. It's like a key for your door. There's only one key on your key ring that will go inside of your door and open up the lock and allow you to go inside. We use the exact key that our bodies need and our cells need to open up the cell and allow ketones to get utilized. All the other ketone salts that are on the market are using a mixture. They're using a DL form or an RS form. It's not the right key, and it's usually about 40% of the right key. So you would need more than double the amount to get anywhere close to the same effectiveness of what we have. Simply put, we use the right key for our bodies. The same key that our bodies make when we're fasting, the same key our bodies make when we're on a ketogenic diet. We're the only ones that use that same key.